market opening ceremony celebrating the commencement of trading of EML Consultants Limited as the second company to get listed on the Empower Board at Colombo Stock Exchange.
SMEs are unanimously recognized as the backbone of the Sri Lankan economy, as they account for over 75% of the total number of enterprises, provides 45% of national employment, and contributes to 52% of the GDP in Sri Lanka. Technological progress through the expansion of trade and the evolution of global value chains is opening up new growth opportunities for SMEs in Sri Lanka. Globally competitive, dynamic, innovative and sustainable SMEs therefore are the best interest of our nation and pivotal to national economic prosperity. Growing a business and driving a transformation, however, is easier said than done. If you are an SME, you can understand that access to finance is a key constraint to growth and that access to formal credit can be challenging. The critical challenge of funding also brings about other challenges, including the lack of access to market information, technology, and the lack of quality talent to drive the organization. An increasing number of SMEs, as a result, are considering the pros and cons of accessing versatile methods of financing by looking beyond conventional credit. As a leading source of wealth and value creation for 298 companies across multiple industries in Sri Lanka, the Colombo Stock Exchange constantly strives to drive and transform Sri Lankan businesses while spurring on ideas and ventures that are of a national significance. CSE now offers a new and compelling avenue to drive Sri Lankan SMEs through their next phase of evolution by offering a unique proposition and an opportunity to access a deep pool of international and domestic capital. Our innovative new listing platform for SMEs not only unlocks sources of capital for businesses, but also paves the way for a far-reaching business transformation. Apart from access to capital, our new listing platform will offer SMEs opportunities to build credibility through disclosure of information and balanced governance standards, which would enhance their visibility and attract strategic investors. The new listing platform has the potential to make an all-round impact, bringing a positive change and shaping the stature and longevity of an SME for years to come. SMEs around the country will have at their disposal a range of new capital raising methods, such as IPOs and issuing further shares once listed, paving the way for responsible capital raising. Companies listing on this platform will be offered guidance during the listing process by both the CSE and an independent sponsor, and will continue to engage in post-listing support provided through a range of one-on-one meetings, awareness sessions, compliance monitoring reviews, and public consultations. CSE embraces the responsibility of empowering entrepreneurs from all walks of society as they pursue their dreams, shape the future of industries, and transform the Sri Lankan economy. Let us join hands and stand united as we foster the next phase of wealth and value creation among our SMEs, the backbone of the Sri Lankan economy. The Empower Board of the Colombo Stock Exchange, making the capital market work for Sri Lankan SMEs.
On behalf of the Colombo Stock Exchange, I would like to warmly welcome you to this special occasion of the bell ringing ceremony marking the listing of EML Consultants Limited to the Empower Board of the CSE. I would like to warmly welcome the guests for the event today, Mr. Avanti Jayatilaka, Managing Director of EML Consultants Limited, the Board of Directors and their management, and also the financial advisors and managers to the listing, Atara Capital Partners, with their founder and Managing Director, Mr. Rohan Seniviratta. 2021 has been a significant year for the primary market of the CSE in terms of the capital that has been raised, as the exchange has facilitated over 30 new listings amounting to nearly 100 billion rupees, surpassing the 66 billion rupees of capital that was raised last year. EML Consultants Limited is a company that was established 28 years ago in 1993, and it provides technical and management consultancy services to the private, public sector, and as well as globally. Thus, with this listing, by way of an introduction, EML Consultants brings a new dimension to the diverse business sectors that are represented on the CSE. We are confident that this new listing will present investors a further opportunity to diversify their portfolio. With the decision to go to public markets, the company has taken its next step in their growth trajectory, and we commend their commitment to expansion. As such, we are pleased to welcome on board EML Consultants Limited to the CSE, and on behalf of all of us at the CSE, we wish EML Consultants all success. Thank you.
It gives me great pleasure to speak a few words on this special occasion where EML Consultants commence secondary market trading. There are a few unique attributes on this listing. Firstly, there are no companies currently listed in the stock exchange who are operating in the consultancy space. So congratulations to EML Consultants to setting the pace, and I am hopeful that there would be other companies who would follow suit. Secondly, EML Consultants is an SME sector company. One would agree that an SME in its growth stage of its business would want to have an IPO and raise capital. But EML instead decided to list by way of an introduction. The reason being, there are long years of operating history required that they earn the status of being a listed entity so that they would be on a better position when they bid for local and international contracts in the consultancy space. EML has a very senior leadership team spanning over 30 years of experience as described in the introductory document. It is fitting that I also acknowledge the efforts of the CSE and the SCC to bring about the Empower Board, which has paved way for companies like EML Consulting to list on the Empower Board of the CSE. In conclusion, I want to thank EML Consultants for selecting Atara Capital Partners as the manager to the introduction and sponsor of this listing, and we look forward to work with this company in the next 2 years of mandatory engagement period. Thank you.
Special day for us here at EML, and I wish to thank officials of the Colombo Stock Exchange and Securities and Exchange Commission for creating the Empower Board. That has paved the way for EML to list in the Colombo Stock Exchange. As an entity representing SMEs in Sri Lanka, I appreciate the work SEC and CSE has done by creating a dedicated listing platform for the SMEs in the country. Now, to give you an overview of the company and its history, we started in 1993 as a consultancy firm, which was actually started by DHV Netherlands and Ernst & Young Sri Lanka together as a joint venture. Now, in 2002, the company actually went independent and fully owned by Sri Lankan shareholders. To talk about the main business model that we have followed, we would like to mention that our company has expanded in many areas, and we keep a core staff of professionals, and that core staff, together with the contracted large pool of consultants, provide consultancy services. Then this has helped the company to survive through even difficult times when the economic downturns were there. We have actually kept our income fairly afloat. We chose the path of introductory listing as opposed to an IPO because we are more interested to earn a status of listed company that will enhance our corporate image and reputation, and that will improve our chances of securing projects internationally with the international donors. And also, I would like to mention this corporate governance structure will also improve as a result of this listing, and we plan to bring in expertise professionals as non-executive directors in addition to our current directors. In conclusion, let me give you an insight to the future business plans of the company. We certainly will be moving into the international business areas in the region, and let me finally invite secondary market investors to purchase shares of EML. Thank you.
EML Consultants Limited, welcome to the Colombo Stock Exchange. Thank you for joining the market opening ceremony. Visit www.cse.lk for more market updates.